What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I just found some cute new fall items, and you know how fast these fall items go. So if you see them and you think you might want them, definitely grab them now, especially the white pumpkins, because it seems like they always go really fast. But we have these cute little white pumpkins with the lids in orange and in white. And then we have this little variety with the sunflowers. This one says grateful. This one says thankful. We have a variety of fall picks down here, and they're all nicely individually wrapped. We have the shiny gold, this little one here, the bright shiny orange. We have the really heavy white ones, the heavy pumpkin ones. This one is cute. It's all like kind of squished and cute. I really like it. The gray, the tiny little hay bales, and we have some additional picks here. And a tiny little wreath too. I noticed these last time I was out. We have slippers in white and pink right next to the flip-flops. And we have even more fall picks. Some of them are just so pretty. The green. This year they have sort of this purple flower that they've included. These with the little curlies, little curly stems, the oranges, burgundy. The oranges are so pretty. The little mini pumpkins. This is what you get on one. This is actually two right here, so this is what you get on one. It has three little dangling pumpkins. Yes, and I do have a struggle cart. Hello. I have a question for you.
Yes.
I've been seeing online that some people are finding poppets. They're those like little fidget toys where you like push the bubbles down. They're like silicone and you push the bubbles down. Some look like pineapples or unicorns, or they're like little squares. You like push the bubble down. Have you seen those anywhere? They're like little fidget toys, and you just, I haven't seen them. I've been looking.
No, I have the square, like when you put the picture, and I have like a little.
I saw those with the shaker. Those are really cute.
No,
But not yet, huh?
Not yet.
Okay, those are going to be really popular when they come in.
When they come in.
Okay, well, I figured I'd ask you.
Maybe next truck.
Okay.
Once they come in.
Okay, thank you so much. You too, hon. Always nice to see you. Okay, you guys, so no fidget toys yet, no poppets. Wow, you guys, look at all the yarn. When I cut through to show the back to school items in my last video, I just kind of passed by all the yarn, but they have a variety. They have the Just Cotton, the Just Yarn, the Just Chenille. We have plums. They're definitely updating the colors. We have this tweed. There's some really nice shades. This one is kind of thin. Another tweed. The chenilles are really nice. And we have even more over here, and we have even more fall picks over here. These ones are so cute. So this is what you get on one pick. I really like those. Ooh, and look at these fluffy ones. I like all of those. Greens, tweeds, more worsted. We have a white chenille, lots of nautical rope for your DIY projects. Okay, let's head to the shampoo and skincare aisle. I feel like we have some new wall decor as well. Oh, the butterflies are so pretty. Look at the butterflies. Okay, you guys, here we go. If you missed my other video, look what we have this week. Yes, you're seeing right. That is a 50-ounce bottle. Those go for $3.99 each at Target. I love this aisle. Ooh. We have a Keep It Calm face mask. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's a cute little cactus makeup cleaning mat, but to be honest, you guys, it feels really thin. We have ginseng and jasmine, charcoal and tea tree, jojoba and aloe, avocado and egg whites, honey and vitamin C. These would be really good to buy now and save for stocking stuffers. We also have the Garnier Glow Boost mask, the hair masks, the Global Beauty Care masks, hyaluronic acid and collagen. We have cucumber, Your Curly Tight Curl Enhancer with Abyssinian oil. Abyssinian? Abyssinian. I think Abyssinian, yeah. We have a bubble face mask. Rose water and aloe. And a really long line. Texture Curls and Waves, banana and avocado oil by Bolero. They are definitely trying to say that this is for natural hair. We also have the matching conditioner. We have some more hair masks over here, also by Bolero. Olive oil body wash, Dermacell, the Schmitz cedarwood and juniper is still here. This goes for about $12. In other places, we have a cocoa butter body wash, the olive oil, and then these ones came out last week, the vanilla and honey and the coconut and rose water. These are the 2 times concentrated. The micellar water is back. I recently bought some of that EOS dupe shave gel or shave lotion, and I think it smells really, really good. Yeah, you guys, super, super long line halfway down the aisle. The Dove Men Plus Care All-in-One is here. This is for face, hands, and body. This is the Ultra Hydra Cream for men. We also have Old Spice soaps for men, and we have, where did they go? We have one by, what's the brand, you guys? I just saw it kind of out of place somewhere. Oh, this one. The Axe Clean Plus Fresh. I'm pretty sure this is a Dollar Tree exclusive. You're not going to be able to find that anywhere else. Ooh, look you guys, this is brand new. Tag Sport deodorant. The brand is AMG Brands. This is not a Dollar Tree brand. 2.25 ounces. Sometimes we even have matching products up here. Oh, we have the Tag Sport. Also, this is brand new this week. The Luxury Shave Gel. They're comparing it to Edge. The Edge Sensitive Skin Shave Gel. It's aloe enhanced, 5 ounces. Now this is 7 ounces if you want a little bit more, also for men. And the big bottles they used to have, I'm really not seeing them. We have the small Barbasol bottles also here, but these are only like 5 ounces. We also have this one. This is a dupe to the Neutrogena Shave Cream, and they're saying that this is men's as well. This is the one I was telling you guys about. We have 2 for women that are dupes to the EOS. But yeah, this is the Sport, Tag Sport deodorant. And is this one any different? Refreshing. I don't know. Oh, one says Sport, one says, well, that one says Sport too. This one says Power. No, Fearless. I'm confused. Okay, what do we have? Fearless, Endurance, and Power. 3 new scents for the week. All by Tag Sport. And then we have the men's Extra Fresh body and face bars. You guys say I don't show enough men's stuff, so that's to all the guys out there. We also have a dye-free Hershey's lip balm. We have a variety of those over on the makeup aisle. We also have the straight from Walmart $3.97 pack of lip smackers. We have cherry, vanilla, and classic Coke lip balms. That's a really nice deal. Okay, you guys, that one ended up being kind of long. I'm gonna get ready to start yet another video and show you even more of what's new in Dollar Tree for the week. So definitely come back to my very next video. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. Everyone is welcome here on the Bunny Birdy Gator channel and family. Everyone's welcome. So don't hesitate to hit that little button and subscribe. All right, you guys, well, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.